This is the Logitech H111 headset, and what I like most about this headset is how lightweight it is. If you have like long meetings or you work in a call center, you have to use headphones and mic all the time, this will work perfectly. It is very light head. It doesn't cover all at the ears, so it's good. It's not gonna sweat you out. And of course, you have the adjustable stripes on both ends, which work really good. Then you have the mic that it goes like almost 360 degrees back and front, so you can adjust it easily. And you have the cable, which is really long. I think it's about 2 meters, so you can get away from the computer when you're using it, and it won't have any issue. The mic is really good and it's focused on noise canceling, so the people that are gonna listen to you are not gonna listen the background noise, which is really nice. And yeah, as I said, perfect for team meetings, for call centers, or for any home use. It will just work perfectly, and you will barely even know that it's on your head because of how lightweight it is. All in all, I would recommend this headset. It's definitely worth for the price.